What's up, guys? It's a quick unboxing of the Sendero HD trail truck. You can see she's in red. She comes in red. It also has option for the like a white vinyl sticker down the side that comes in the parts bag. All right. So again, we have the red body. You got your mirrors that folds as well. So if you did, roll it, it doesn't snap off. It just kind of folds in. You have wipers as well. They can move different locations. All right. You have a grill in front here. You have adjustable toe links, I guess. You have your tires here, the licensed grabber tires. All right. These are 1.9s. All right. X3 tires. You get working LED headlights on here, both sides. It plugs right into, there's a plug that goes to the ESC. All right, you then kind of move it around so you guys can see the side. It doesn't have the bed back here, it's like open bed. I like this look. I had the first gray Enduro, and it was cool, but you had the big bumper on the gray one. It was stuck out quite a bit, and certain rocks you'll get hung up on. So I like this new touch with the smaller bumper. You got the nice tucked away rocker slides, and the body actually slides into the groove and it sticks in there so it doesn't flop around either. I like that touch as well that they did with it. All right, bring you around to the back. Show you guys the back of the car, of the truck, trail truck. All right. I like the little rustic look here. I'll show you guys that. Looks like it's rust or whatever. It's pretty cool. Nice little touch there. Turn around the other side so you can see it. This guy, those are the body pins off. You can see on the inside here, it's still plugged in. This is the leads for the LED lights and the buckets here. The plug. I see the inside. Alright. A quick unboxing, guys. And this is the truck, guys. I already put a battery in here just so I could plug it up, show you guys the lights and stuff like that. Different angle. Alright. That's the back. I'll show you the bottom of it as well. I'll get you guys a close up here in a second as well. Alright. Alright, for suspension features. Now, for the, you have your steering components. Alright, you have the behind the axle steering. Gives you better approach angles. Alright. Then you have the integrated winch to the chassis. Have a spot right here. You can add your winch servo right there in the front. That's pretty cool. Then you have your threaded aluminum shocks right here in the front, in the back, in the front. Aluminum threaded shocks, oil filled. Then you have a 5-slot 16-turn motor. The Reedy motor, you can see right here. All right. Just to give you ample torque and nice and smooth. And you have your speed control right here, your ESC. All right, your SC480X brushed ESC. All right, and it's programmable. You can run 2S or 3S on this guy. I have no pin here. If you run a LiPo, you can put it into LiPo mode or nickel metal hydride mode. All right, and then you have your servo here, right here in the front. That's what you saw earlier. The silver right here. All right, 1320 milligram metal gear servo. It's a 170 ounces on that servo. And then it also has the for the transmission here, right? It's the Stealth X gearbox. It has two options as far as the gearing goes. You go from 2828 to 2826 and 5252 to 5254 tooth transmission gears in here for the second option to go with that as well. Let me see if I can just plug in the lights for you real quick. Alright. And also it has the radio. See right here is the XP 130. Alright, you guys already seen this radio before. And then so for the lights, buckets right here, the connector right there. So you just plug it in. And then the lights come right on, guys. Lights look like, guys. Turn the radio on so you guys can. Right. And also comes in the box as well. Get your optional gears here. All right, and then you have a additional battery tray. You put a bigger battery in there. Alright, so you got the optional gears, and then you have your manual. Alright. So, yeah, it's a quick little unboxing. Just going over the truck a little bit with you guys. Just want you guys to see what she looks like. And again, as always, thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.